Hello, welcome to another podcast of Master Investor. Glad to be here again on another valuable talk on money, business, and investment. My name is Jose. I'm the founder of the company. Today, we're going to be speaking about systems and the importance of building wealth online utilizing systems. Make sure if you're new to our community to subscribe in all social media platforms and hit the link in the description to have access of our digital course and ebook. And you will also be able to see the other products that we have available on our store. We have 3 ebooks right now: the 10 New Rules of Money, How to Build Cash Flow with the Internet, Turn Passive Income On, and How to Invest in Crypto to Build Wealth. All of them are available on Amazon, or you can go straight to our website and access additional assets that come with each ebook because we have turned them into digital courses. Today is February 14, 2024, Mastering the Art of Acquiring Cash Flow and Assets. The golden rule of today: sales funnels automates the sales process. Title. Today's title is The Power of Systems, Building Wealth and Freedom Online. In today's digital age, the internet has democratized opportunities for wealth creation and personal freedom like never before. Whether we are an entrepreneur, freelancer, or investor, harnessing the potential of online platforms requires more than just hard work and determination. It requires systems. From automating processes to streamlining workflows, implementing effective systems is the key to unlocking success and achieving financial independence in the digital realm. The importance of systems. Systems are the backbone of any successful online endeavor. They provide structure, consistency, and efficiency, allowing individuals to maximize their productivity and focus on high-impact activities. In the context of wealth building and freedom online, systems play a crucial role in several key areas. Number 1, automation. Automation is a game changer in the world of online business. By automating repetitive tasks such as email marketing, customer service, and payment processing, entrepreneurs can free up valuable time and resources to focus on our growth and innovation, right? That's what we ultimately want, is to create new products, expand our business. So either we are adding more products into that existing business, or we're creating new things. We are acquiring new things, new assets, right? We have to compound our asset column with real assets that we control with our companies. Number 2, scalability. Scalability is essential for long-term success in online ventures. Systems that can scale with increasing demand allow businesses to grow rapidly without being constrained by manual process or resource limitations. Number 3, consistency. Consistency breeds trust and credibility in the online world. Systems help ensure that standards and processes are consistently applied, resulting in better customer experiences and a stronger brand reputation. Number 4, risk management. Effective systems help mitigate risks associated with online ventures such as cybersecurity threats, data breaches, and market volatility. By implementing robust security measures and contingency plans, individuals can safeguard their assets and protect against unforeseen challenges. Remember, it's about us and investing in our financial education so that we can minimize risk, because it's not the investment that is risky, it's the investor behind the investment that makes the investment risky, or that makes investing risky, right? So the more financial education we have and the more financial experience we have, because we're taking action on a daily basis, then we can manage risk and we can get higher returns on investment, because we definitely have the financial education required to see opportunities that other people or the average cannot see. Building wealth online with systems. When it comes to building wealth online, systems are indispensable. Whether we are an e-commerce entrepreneur, or if you are a digital marketer or an inside investor, right? Leveraging systems can amplify our efforts and accelerate our path to financial success. Number 1, e-commerce automation. For e-commerce businesses, systems such as inventory management software, automated order fulfillment, and customer relationship management (CRM) tools are essential for streamlining streamlining operations and optimizing efficiency. By automating routine tasks, e-commerce entrepreneurs can focus on product development, marketing, and scaling their business. However, an e-commerce entrepreneur is a wealth entrepreneur because we're building a business, and let's think of that business as a brand. Can we turn that into a brand? We should be able to by applying intrinsic value and business integrity, right? And following the business triangle that we have inside of our ebook. So we don't just want to be creating businesses because those are commodities. They can be replaced at any time. We want to create something unique. But it's important that we get started somewhere. So if it just requires us to link up with other brands, right, such as affiliate marketing, we're using other people's products and we're promoting their products, and we get a commission or residual income, aka passive income, when it's a subscription, or we get constant sales on autopilot, where we show you inside here at Master Investor how to do with the sales funnels, putting all the systems together, which at the end of the day, they're very simple. We did it in less than an hour the other day. It took us like 10 minutes to put it all together on a live stream from scratch. So anybody can duplicate the steps and have systems ready to be making us cash flow within an hour. Number 2, digital marketing automation. In the world of digital marketing systems such as email automation, social media scheduling, and content management platforms enable marketers to reach and engage their target audience effectively by automating marketing campaigns and tracking key performance metrics. Marketers can optimize our strategies for maximizing impact and ROI. So, as you start your business online, if you want to start selling other people's products, then you're going to learn how to do marketing. You're going to learn a little bit about sales funnels. You're going to learn about how to put all the systems together. That's what we have to do as the wealthy entrepreneur behind the operation, right? And then those systems will be working for us doing the selling and telling even while we're sleeping. I'm going to show you how to do video marketing. You don't have to put your face on a video, but you can use other people's videos. You can also use AI to create a video, and we can create a channel and create passive income in many different ways. Number 3, passive income streams. Passive income streams such as affiliate marketing, digital product sales, and online courses rely heavily on systems for scalability and efficiency. By creating automated sales funnels, optimizing conversion rates, and outsourcing non-core tasks, individuals can generate passive income streams to provide financial freedom and flexibility. Achieving freedom online through systems beyond wealth building, systems also play a crucial role in achieving personal freedom and lifestyle design in the digital realm. Number 1, remote work systems. With the rise of remote work systems for communication, collaboration, and project management are essential for remote teams to stay productive and connected. By implementing tools such as video conferencing, task management software, and cloud-based document storage, remote workers can collaborate effectively from anywhere in the world. Number 2, digital nomad lifestyle. For digital nomads and location-independent entrepreneur, systems for travel planning, remote work setups, and financial management are essential for maintaining a flexible and sustainable lifestyle. By leveraging technology and automation, digital nomads can balance work and travel seamlessly while exploring new destinations and cultures. Number 3, time management systems. Time is the most valuable resource that we have. Is the most valuable asset that we all have with our minds. Those two things we cannot replace. Okay. Systems for time management, productivity, and goal setting help individuals prioritize tasks, stay focused, and make the most of our time. By implementing time management techniques such as the Pomodoro technique, time blocking, and task batching, individuals can optimize our productivity and achieve a better work-life balance when it comes to building our business, because rule number 1 of our community here at Master Investor is that we work to build passive income and make money work hard through sound investing, right? And why is that rule number 1? Because that's what the ultra wealthy do. So we have to mimic exactly what they do in order for us to create the wealth that we want. Maybe if you don't want to create billions or millions of dollars, maybe you just want to create $20,000 per month. That means it's about $700 per day on sales, on profit, on whatever, after all ads are paid, everything is paid, that's how much you need to be making per day with your systems. 700, that's about 2 sales. It could be 1 sale per day, depending on the product which we're selling. Some products pay 1,000 less, depending on how much the product is valued. There are high ticket items and low ticket items. So maybe 3 sales of 150 will get you there, right? If each product brings in 150 profit. So just crunch the numbers and figure out what's that number that you're looking for to create, and we're going to reverse engineer that. In conclusion, in an increasingly interconnected and fast-paced world, systems are the cornerstone of success in building wealth and freedom online. Whether we are a wealthy entrepreneur, or you're a freelancer, or learning how to be an inside investor, implementing effective systems is essential for maximizing productivity, scalability, and efficiency. By harnessing the power of automation, scalability, and consistency, individuals can unlock new opportunities for wealth creation, personal freedom, and lifestyle design in the digital realm. I hope that you learn the importance of having systems, because without systems, then you cannot be a business owner, you cannot create wealth. Systems go hand to hand with wealth creation, because otherwise, if systems were not there, then we could not create wealth, really. We could not print money legally, because right, the systems are the reason why we can print money legally and have excess of cash flow coming in, because the systems are solving a problem in the world and delivering that solution on autopilot, right? We could have people in place in those systems, but as business owners, we control those systems. We don't work in the systems, we work on our systems, on our business, not in our businesses. It's a big difference, okay? We don't want to ever be an employee of our business. We want to build a business that can run on its own, so that we can go ahead and do something else, right? We want to have freedom. That's the reason why we acquire or build a business to begin with, is to not only solve a problem in the world, but give us freedom by the excess of cash flow that business will be provided to us. And a sound business is a system of systems. Bringing you the good and bad news of money, the business principles that work in all economies. I appreciate you being here with me once again. Keep a master investor working by using our products, listening to our podcast, and sharing our content with others. Start investing today in your financial education and start taking action with your finances. Figure out where you are financially today. Fill out a financial statement. We have one available on our website. When you sign up with our digital course, How to Build Cash Flow with the Internet, Turn Passive Income On, you will have access to that asset that we have there, which is a financial statement. You can download that into Excel and fill it in and figure out where you are financially, so that we can work on that asset column. We're going to focus on building that asset column with your first asset. If you have no assets right now, then we're going to figure out, are there any liabilities that we can turn into assets? And if not, then we're going to focus on just creating that first asset, whether it's the first sale on autopilot through an ad and using other people's product. And of course, having the systems in place. And the 3 simple steps that we need in order to start making money online is, number 1, how to capture a landing page. That's a part of a system. Number 2 is have an email autoresponder. That's a system. Number 3, targeted traffic. And we do that through systems, through Facebook marketing, YouTube marketing, and other platforms alike. Thank you for listening again, and I appreciate your business. I'll talk to you next time. Subscribe and follow us on all other social media platforms. Bye for now.